Hey everyone, you are watching Tech Processor. So in this video, we are going to talk about Carl Pei, the co-founder of Oneplus and the founder of revolutionary company named Nothing Technology Limited. So let's get started. Carl Pei, and another college dropout entrepreneur, co-founded Oneplus with Pete Lau in Shenzhen back in December 2013. Their first device, named as OnePlus One, sold close to 1 million units in 2014, despite a sales target of only 50,000. This was made possible because of their social media strategies back when they launched their first phone of OnePlus, because there were also so many brands like Apple and different popular brands as well that they have to compete with. So that was also a good strategy back then they applied. Following his departure from OnePlus, Carl Pei founded a new company now known as Nothing on January 27, 2021. The first product of Nothing was the Nothing Ear. It was an earbud which was not that much special, but now they have launched their smartphone Nothing Phone 1, and there is so much craze about this phone in the public because of their content, or you can say their product marketing strategy using the social media.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Now you can see that they marketed their product back when they launched their OnePlus phone, and now they're applying the same strategy on their new venture, the company named Nothing, with its product Nothing Phone 1. Now you can see there are so much craze about this product, and a company like this, because it was a new company and there are already so much big brands, so you need to get the market of a smartphone which is so much overpopulated, and they were able to do it because of their outstanding design and all of the things that they have in their Nothing Phone 1. So that was all about this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. Thank you.